Afternoon guys, Lee from Source Sounds, just with another quick demonstration of a new Kenwood stereo we fitted in this customer's Toyota Hilux. It's a 13 reg vehicle, and this had the standard navigation unit in there which has gone faulty, and we have replaced this with a DMX7520DABS. So you can see this unit will give you DAB radio, obviously normal FM radio. You've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity with Bluetooth streaming. Sorry about that. So if we've gone there, you've got Apple CarPlay. So I say on this unit, we've got the USB in the glove box. I've just got the phone in the glove box at the minute because this is a wired system for CarPlay and Android Auto. So you can see there, you've got your maps, your music, your phone calls. Go to the different settings, different radio apps. You can Spotify, you could use Waze. If you're into your music, you can use Tidal, so that's not a problem at all. We've then retained also the factory reverse camera on there. So this unit, if you wanted, can also put your grid lines onto the image. We prefer not to have grid lines. I think this customer doesn't want them, just wants to retain the original camera. Just pop it on at reverse, and then we have retained steering controls as well. So obviously volume up and down, they'll work fine. Skip up and down tracks, changes different radio station. And then the phone buttons also work for hanging up and answering the call. Mode, just obviously switches through different sources. And then you can see there, we've got the DAB aerial on the windscreen. Small and neat, not too obtrusive, looks fantastic. Thank you for watching. Any further information required, please give us a call on 0114 257 1550. Thanks for watching.